Vegetables are a vital part of a healthy diet, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, even the most health-conscious individuals may unknowingly diminish the nutritional value of their vegetables through improper cooking techniques. While cooking vegetables can enhance their taste and texture, it is important to ensure that the cooking methods employed do not compromise their inherent health benefits. In this video, we will discuss common mistakes in cooking vegetables that can diminish their health benefits. Overcooking. Overcooking vegetables is a common mistake that results in the loss of essential nutrients like vitamin C, B vitamins, and antioxidants. Boiling vegetables for too long causes water-soluble vitamins to leach out, reducing their nutritional content. To preserve maximum nutrients, opt for shorter cooking times and methods such as steaming or sautéing. Peeling away the goodness. Peeling the skin off vegetables before cooking is a common practice, but it can result in the loss of vital nutrients. Vegetable peels are rich in fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. For instance, potato skins contain significant nutrients and fiber. Instead of peeling, wash vegetables thoroughly to remove dirt and pesticides, and consider leaving the skin intact to retain their nutritional value. Excessive oil and fat. Using excessive oil or fat to cook vegetables can negate their health benefits. High-calorie oils and fats can contribute to weight gain and health issues. Opt for healthier cooking oils like olive oil, avocado oil, or coconut oil in moderation. Explore alternative cooking methods like grilling or baking to minimize the need for excessive oil. Lack of variety. Variety is crucial for a well-rounded nutrient intake. Different vegetables offer unique vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals. To maximize health benefits, incorporate a wide range of colorful vegetables like leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables, root vegetables, and vibrant peppers. Diversifying your choices ensures a diverse nutrient profile in your meals. Ignoring leftovers. Avoid wasting leftover vegetables by repurposing them creatively. Reheating vegetables for extended periods can cause nutrient loss. Instead, use them in soups, stews, salads, or blend them into dips and spreads. This way, you reduce waste while preserving valuable nutrients. Drowning in sauce or dressings. Be mindful of adding calorie-dense sauces, dressings, or creamy toppings to vegetables as they increase calorie, sugar, and sodium content. Many store-bought options contain unhealthy fats. Enhance vegetable flavor with herbs, spices, or a squeeze of lemon or lime juice instead. Experimenting with seasoning combinations can elevate taste without compromising health benefits. Skipping fresh and opting for canned or frozen. Fresh vegetables are generally more nutritious than canned or frozen options due to potential nutrient loss during processing. Canning and freezing can diminish the nutritional value, especially heat-sensitive vitamins like vitamin C. If fresh produce isn't available, opt for frozen vegetables as they retain more nutrients compared to canned ones. Ignoring seasonal and local produce. Choose seasonal and locally sourced vegetables for better taste and nutrition. Seasonal produce is harvested at peak ripeness, offering more flavor and nutrients. Local sourcing reduces nutrient loss by minimizing the time between harvest and consumption. Visit farmers markets or CSA programs to find fresh, local vegetables while supporting local farmers. Discarding nutrient-rich cooking water. When cooking vegetables, especially through boiling or steaming, the water used to cook them can accumulate valuable nutrients. Unfortunately, many people discard this nutrient-rich cooking water, which means missing out on the vitamins and minerals that have leached into it. Instead of pouring it down the drain, consider repurposing it as a base for soups, stews, or sauces. Storing chopped vegetables for too long. Chopping vegetables ahead of time can be a time-saving practice, but leaving them exposed to air for too long can lead to nutrient degradation. Exposure to oxygen and light can cause a breakdown of certain vitamins, such as vitamin C. If you prefer prepping vegetables in advance, store them in airtight containers in the refrigerator and try to use them within a day or two to preserve their nutritional value. By being mindful of these common mistakes and adopting healthier cooking practices, you can ensure that your vegetables retain their maximum health benefits.